happy day. Thank God, it's my happy day. Guess what? Yeah, I worked on my classwork and I got it right. My code worked. So I'm so excited. I'm really so excited. We talked about CSS today. So we talked about CSS block model today. See our instructor. His name is Mr. James Babalola.
He's learning CSS.
I'm learning CSS. Well, my code worked today, so I'm really happy. But like yesterday, where I couldn't finish my code because of one bracket like that.
Well, the thing is, as long as she's under my tutelage,
yeah, but it's a really great tutor. It's a really great tutor. Thank you so much, Mr. James.
Such a great pleasure.
Yeah, thank you. Say hello to my people. So some of my colleagues are still working on their codes. Well, I was just so lucky to have finished mine early today. A lot are also working. Okay, Lina was sitting with me earlier today. She's really battling with her code. But today was really awesome. We learned to style a website, you know, the blocks, all those things that you see. Wireframe, okay, don't put me there. Someone just corrected me, it's wireframe, but it's still blocks anyway, because, you know, I'm talking to people who are not programmers, but it's really fun. Yeah, you're technically building an online house now, so it's a block. But the technical term is wireframe. So today was good. I'm going to be showing you guys my screen. I hope you've been watching the videos. This is Chi. She has finished hers, and it was really, I think today's my best day yet. I still have so many days to come, but it's really lovely. Really lovely. Really lovely. Wireframing, CSS blocks and all that. So you see what I did? I finished my classwork. I'll be showing you guys my classwork too. So guys, see you tomorrow. Nami says bye for now and remain awesome. Please subscribe.